I got a ton of these silicone molds with all of the letters in the alphabet. I will leave the link in the description box of where I bought it. The price has risen. I only paid $100 something dollars for it. It's gone up to like $200. So keep that in mind. You don't have to buy all of the letters. You can just buy a few just to test it out if you want. And obviously I got my dry pressed flowers from Amazon, and that's what we're going to be using. And I have organized all of my flowers, all of my lights and glitter. So now I'm trying to figure out which lights I want to use, because I've already made these letters, well, different letters before, and I don't want to be reusing the same lights or the same colors or the same glitter. So I was trying to pick out which one I wanted, which ones I wanted. So that's what I'm doing right here, testing all of the lights. I don't know what's wrong with my camera or my phone, but I just recorded me pouring down this and laying down the flowers and everything. This looks so beautiful. But as soon as I finished, the video got deleted. I don't know how. I saved it, but that's why this area is a mess, because it just finished. It's not fully dry or anything yet. Also, I made this one as well. Clearly you see that I want to pour it down the first layer, then I add in there the lights. So I'm gonna try this again in like 2.9 seconds, and if it doesn't record, if the video doesn't save, then just forget it, because I'm over it. This took forever. Like, look at how perfectly everything is laid out and nothing got saved. Like, is this a sign? Should I just give up? I don't know. But these flowers right here, I'm gonna find some lights that I have left over to use as well. So I'm gonna mix these two flowers together. So hopefully it looks good. Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna lay down a thin layer of some resin. I can start adding on in there the lights and the flowers. Just add on in there whatever you want. I poured enough resin so that the resin could cover up the flowers. It makes it easier. The way I personally like to do it is to do the flowers, the lights, and then add on in there a little bit of some resin on top, so that the resin can stick onto the lights, so that after 24 hours the lights are cured with everything that I already placed down. So all I have to do is just press down on everything, and then I can add on in there the final layer of resin, or if I want to do another layer or anything like that. But I do it that way so that the lights won't stick out or anything. Some people like to use their hot glue gun to stick on there the lights. I've never done that before. I don't know how well it works from just pouring the resin on top of the lights, but this method works for me, so there's no reason for me to try anything else. I'm just going to stick to what works. So I just add on in a little bit of some resin that I had left over, and I just wait 24 hours until it's fully cured. Now for this one, I add on in a little bit of some glitter, and I'm just pouring on down some clear resin. And for the second one, I've already mixed up some white pigments, and obviously you guys just saw the clear resin that I had. So I'm just going to pour it on top. So a little bit of some whites and a little bit of some clear resin. Yep. Doing what works best for me. And again, you have to wait 24 hours for it to be fully cured before you can demold it or anything like that. And it comes out easily. Well, I've ripped the mold when I was trying to demold it. I personally don't think it's my fault, because it was definitely stick onto the resin piece. So I'm blaming the mold and not me. And to get rid of the bubbles, I just use my lighter. Just go around it and be careful of the lights if you decide to use a lighter. Some people use alcohol. Never done that before. I've always used a lighter. Alright, let's start off with this one. I forgot that I was going to do a voiceover. You can smell the flowers. So weird, but hold on, let me remove the mold. This is the first one. This is how the back looks. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is how she looks at the lights on. So stunning. I love the fruit in there and the flowers. Such a great idea. And this is how we look at the side. Obviously the back. Cute. I'm not really a big fan of it. I should have definitely did something else. I don't know what. But it's cute. Alrighty, so this is the second letter. We're going with it on. Oh, this is so hard. Alright, you can clearly see this. Oop. The sides definitely needs to be cleaned up. Oh, this is kind of cute. Maybe I shouldn't have added the green that was left over. And probably do like a little gold flakes, but can you guys see? It's cute. See with the lights on. So gorgeous. Stunning. I love it. And it's so heavy. Next up is the letter N. This is going to be the last one that I demoed on camera. The other one I'm going to demo for my TikTok. Oopsie. Oh, this is cute. I like it. This is cute. You guys saw how the back looks. Some of the flowers flew to the top. That's what you guys are seeing there. But let's see how it looks with the lights on. I love it. Jesus. Wait, is this a Z or an N? No, it's the letter N. This is how it looks. So cute. I like it. Okay, finally, this is the last one. This is how it looks. Hold on. I'm using one hand, so. And this is how it looks with the lights. This is different. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's okay. I'm gonna need to clean up the edges, and yeah, looks okay.